Hey guys, it's Snake here. This video is going to be on my new Noco Genius G7200 battery charger. Let me just show you guys real quick. Okay, so here it is. So the reason I bought this is because we have three vehicles. I have a Hummer, a Pontiac GTO, and then obviously you've seen the van a bunch of times, which is a Toyota Sienna. Anyway, so two of the vehicles does not get used on a regular basis, so the batteries drain, and they're very hard to bring back to life. All three vehicles have the Optima batteries in them. The reason I purchased these batteries is because they're supposed to have high cranking power, and they're supposed to be easy to bring back to life if they happen to become fully drained. So we went and just got these professionally tested. The one on the left apparently has a bad cell, and the other one is just completely drained. I'm not sure why that one has a bad cell, being that these are both less than a year old, or about a year old. So I'm a little upset about that. But we'll see if this is able to bring these back to life. This particular charger also seems to have a repair mode, but I'm going to read into the instructions a little bit, put you guys on pause or whatever, because apparently this only brings back, or you should only use repair mode on the regular lead acid batteries and not the AGM, which I'm a little confused about. So I'm going to read up on that a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy here. Okay, there you go. All right. So I did a bit of research on this already, so I know quite a bit about it, but there's some questions that I have, like for instance, what I just mentioned, and the fact that apparently you can't use repair mode on the AGM batteries. So I'm going to take a moment to review some of the instructions on that. Alright, so we're going to go over what's in the box, guys. So first and foremost, you have your user's guide, and then your warranty card, basically, or your warranty information. Alright. Then you get your unit. You have your quick connect cables. Okay. Quick connect eyelet cables, and these are for like your motorcycle, lawnmower engines, stuff like that. Batteries that are a little bit more hard to get to. There you go. And then some mounting screws, just in case you want to mount this onto your wall or something to that effect. Okay. So really not much in the box. Now, as far as the different modes here, I'll go over those rather quickly. So this is your mode button right here. You press this once to cycle through the different modes depending on, or the different settings within the mode, I should say. But in order to change the mode, so say to go from 12 volt to 24 volt, you have to hold this button down for 3 seconds. And then so on and so forth. So 3 seconds from the 24 volt to, you know, I think it's the next one is the lithium, and then 3 seconds for this one, for the 12 volt AGM plus. But if I'm already, just to be clear, in the 12 volt mode, normal, you just press it once to move from normal to cold AGM. Okay. So obviously you have the 12 volt normal, which is for your regular lead acid liquid type batteries. You have your cold AGM, which is for your AGM batteries. These are maintenance free type batteries, which don't require you to maintain the liquid and things to that effect. You could also use this mode for your lead acid batteries or liquid batteries, when you're in temperatures, I believe, of 40 degrees below or below. So that helps. That helps, I guess, with the difference in temperature that the battery is experiencing. All right, then you have the 24 volt mode. These are for your batteries that are daisy chained, or in tandem, however you want to phrase it. This would be for like your RV batteries, things that affect. A lot of RVs have two batteries, two 12 volt batteries connected to each other. This is what you would use that for. Okay. Lithium batteries here. This is basically where the future in automotive batteries are moving to. A lot of BMWs, or I wouldn't say a lot, but some BMWs that I know of are now coming out with lithium car batteries. So this particular unit's already ahead of the game in that aspect. Here's your 12 volt AGM Plus. The AGM Plus is also a new type of battery that are normally found in your hybrid type vehicles. Okay, do not use this AGM Plus for your normal AGM batteries. Okay, then here we have the 12 volt repair mode. This mode here is just for your liquid lead acid type batteries. Okay, unfortunately this does not work with the AGM batteries. So this will not repair all batteries, meaning all lead acid batteries, but there is a good chance that it would, or that it can, but it's not like a guarantee or anything. So, those of you expecting to repair every single battery that might be bad with this mode, you would be mistaken. There is a good chance that it could repair it, but it's not a guarantee. Okay, and the last mode is your supply mode. I guess the quick way to explain this one is if you have, let's say, a vehicle that has a computer in it or a radio in it that, you have all your stations set, the time is set, things that affect, or a car that has a system in it to where if the battery is pulled out, you have to re-enter like a certain sequence of codes in order to get back into your vehicle or get into the settings of your vehicle, whatever the case may be. This is where this comes in. So what you do is you actually connect this to your car leads before taking off the battery, and then you'll never lose that information. It's kind of like I don't know, like a backup generator or something to that effect, which can be used for that and keeping your information saved into your vehicle. Sorry, I was trying to think about what to say there. So anyway, and then once obviously you charge your battery or do whatever it is that you need to do with your battery, you go ahead and plug your battery back up. Then you take this unit off of your vehicle leads, and it's almost as if your battery was never removed from the vehicle. All right, and that's pretty much it. So let's get on with it. All right, guys, so as you can see here, I plugged everything up, and I decided to go with the fully drained battery first, because I have no idea what I'm going to do with this battery yet. Apparently this bad battery has a charge. Well, it's not a bad battery. It has a bad cell, but it actually has a charge. And from what I understand, it should still work. The only problem is it takes a hit on cranking power and then longevity. But it should still work. So I'll probably just throw a charge on that and then just use it as it is for now, if that be the case. But anyway, as you can see here, it is plugged up. This battery is 25% or less as far as charge is concerned. So it's going to be a while before we get it up and running, I would imagine. It's about 4 p.m. So we'll keep an eye on the time as well. But just a quick few tips. When plugging up the battery, you want to start with the positive first, then the negative. Okay. Also, in the instructions, it specifically states to plug the battery terminals up first before plugging in the wall outlet. Okay. Normally, you know, you would think that it's the wall outlet first, then plugging up the battery terminals. So in this case, it is opposite. All right. So positive first, then negative, then plug. All right. Then you press the mode button depending on, you know, what mode you want it on. For each mode, you hold it down for 3 seconds. And then if you want to just change from the leaded battery acid to, or the lead mode, regular mode, to AGM, you just click it once. All right. So, okay, we'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, it's about noon the following day. So from 4 p.m. yesterday to about noon today, this baby has brought the battery back thus far, which is really cool. It's still not done yet though. That light actually has to be solid green for it to be fully charged. So this thing is awesome in my opinion. So anyway, I'll keep you updated. Alright guys, so it is about 8 a.m. on June 30th, and the light is finally green. Now, there's a mistake about what I just previously stated on that green light. So apparently all the other lights have to disappear, and then that 100% green light doesn't just stay lit. It actually pulsates like that, which means that it's in maintenance mode. So from June 28th, 4 p.m. till now, and this could have very well been at 100% somewhere in the middle of the night. Not really sure, but as of now, this battery is fully charged and ready to go again. So what we're going to do is just unplug this, and then I'm going to try it on this battery, but I'm not going to go through the whole recording process. Again, this does have a bad cell, so really not sure how that's going to work out. Apparently this cannot repair the AGM type batteries. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time.